Hello everyone, welcome to this series on literary theories, and in this video we are going to discuss the role of Roland Barthes in early structuralism. Introduction. The early phase of structuralism, a critical theory that emerged in the mid-20th century, was marked by the contributions of significant figures, one of whom was Roland Barthes. Barthes' application of structuralist methods to the general field of modern culture set him apart as a pioneering thinker. His analysis of everyday cultural artifacts and practices, particularly through his seminal work Mythologies, published in 1957, established a new framework for understanding cultural phenomena. Barthes' Mythologies, 1957. In Mythologies, Barthes examined modern French culture through the lens of a cultural anthropologist. This work is a collection of essays that dissect a variety of cultural items, ranging from sports to food to images, which had never been before subjected to intellectual scrutiny. Barthes' approach involved placing these items within a broader structure of values, beliefs, and symbols to uncover deeper layers of significance. This methodology, characteristic of structuralist thought, allowed Barthes to reveal the underlying cultural codes that shape and are shaped by these everyday artifacts. Key analyses in Mythologies. One of the notable analyses in Mythologies is Barthes' comparison between boxing and wrestling. He interpreted boxing as a sport concerned with repression and endurance, where boxers are expected to endure pain silently, adhering strictly to the rules without any dramatic display. In contrast, wrestling is viewed as a theatrical display of pain and aggression, where wrestlers exaggerate their suffering and triumph, embodying larger-than-life villains or heroes. Barthes suggested that these sports serve different societal functions. Boxing enacts stoical endurance necessary in life's struggles, while wrestling dramatizes ultimate conflicts between good and evil. This distinction exemplifies Barthes' structuralist approach of contextualizing individual items to reveal their cultural significance. More cultural analysis. Barthes extended his analysis to other cultural artifacts such as the significance of eating steak and chips in French culture, the styling of the Citroën car, the cinema image of Greta Garbo's face, and a magazine photograph of an Algerian soldier saluting the French flag. Each of these items, when placed within their wider cultural structures, revealed the values and symbols they embodied. For instance, the Citroën car's design was not just about aesthetics, but also about representing modernity and technological progress in post-war France. Structuralist approach. Barthes' methodology involved contextualizing cultural items within broader structures, a process that revealed multiple layers of significance. This structuralist approach allowed him to uncover the deep-seated cultural codes that govern the interpretation and value of these items. By examining how these codes operate within a network of beliefs and symbols, Barthes demonstrated that cultural artifacts are not isolated, but are part of a larger system of meanings. Barthes' literary analyses. In addition to his cultural analysis, Barthes made significant contributions to literary theory. His examinations of various aspects of literature further established structuralism's relevance in understanding not only cultural artifacts but also literary texts. By the 1970s, structuralism had gained widespread attention in Paris and beyond, influencing a new wave of critical thought. Structuralism's rise in 1970s. Paris became a hub for structuralist thought during the 1970s, attracting scholars from around the world. English and American academics such as Colin McCabe, spent time in Paris studying under leading structuralist figures. These scholars returned to their home countries with a renewed enthusiasm for teaching and promoting structuralist ideas. As a result, structuralism began to spread to the English-speaking world, significantly impacting literary and cultural studies. Structuralism spread to the English-speaking world. Several key figures played pivotal roles in mediating structuralism for English-speaking audiences. Jonathan Culler, with his book Structuralist Poetics, was instrumental in interpreting structuralist theories for a broader audience. Terence Hawkes's Structuralism and Semiotics further disseminated these ideas, and his role as a general editor of Methuen's New Accents series aimed to encourage innovative approaches in literary studies. Frank Kermode, then a professor at University College London, wrote enthusiastically about Barthes and organized graduate seminars to discuss his work, despite later adopting more traditional approaches. David Lodge, another influential figure, attempted to combine structuralist ideas with traditional literary criticism, as exemplified in his book Working with Structuralism 1980. Conclusion: the legacy of Roland Barthes and structuralism is profound, with lasting impacts on cultural and literary studies. Barthes' pioneering work in mythologies and his structuralist approach to analyzing culture and literature continue to influence contemporary critical theories. The spread of structuralism to the English-speaking world, facilitated by scholars like Culler, Hawkes, Kermode, and Lodge, ensured that these ideas would remain relevant and influential in academic discourse. So this was the discussion on Roland Barthes' role in early structuralism. We will meet in the next video and discuss some other topic. Until then, goodbye and thank you.